Hello.
Hello.
I'm Mike from Headquarter Audio, and
Yes,
I'm in the
yes.
final room.
Yes.
Or final? Or
Yes, final.
Final, okay.
Yes, final brother.
Hello. What products can we hear? And
Yeah, you can hear that our flagship product for the headphone. Yes, today's for the headphone, and also that we have the wired earphone here. Is our top end and the middle range. So this is the available for the listening, and then this product is the still that the mock-up, but our new flagship of the true wireless earphone, which coming at the end of the year. So this is the price around 300 euros. So
yeah,
these are the kind of our then how can I say outstanding hero product.
okay.
This time.
And the top line, high-end line.
Yeah, this one is so-called the D8000 Pro Edition, which is cost around 4,000 euro. Then come with the planar magnetic and very much then brand new solution for that. Like I said, make it really then dynamic sound with the precise the sound characteristics with the air film damping system, which is really unique solution just only from the final.
Okay.
This is for this one and this as well. This one is the let's say brother product of the D8000 Pro, the so-called D8000, and the price is around 300, 500 euro.
Okay.
Then this is two. Anyway, this two is the our flagship product. Then this year we are going to launch this D8000 Pro limited edition. So that this is really a limited number of the quantity we are going to launch in the November time frame, I guess.
Okay.
So that this is really same the structure of the D8000 Pro, but we did a different finish for that cosmetic design, and also that we have the so-called dry gold plated mesh metal inside. Then we newly created the very unique material made from washi, which is Japanese traditional paper.
Okay.
Then this is good for the humidity control, and also that antivirus, as well as the dead rating.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is really newly applied for that product.
End of this year.
End of this year.
Okay.
Then this is a new the attached case style, the carrying case.
Yeah, very nice for traveling. Yeah.
Yeah. For yes. Then starting from this limited edition. Sorry.
Yeah, no problem.
So limited edition. Something like that.
So
this product comes with the XLR 4-pin plug, as well as the 4.4 millimeters for portable use. All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is nice. This is nice.
Then this is also that our flagship product, so-called A8000. Then price is around 2,000 euro, which is very, how can I say, premium.
It's very premium, yes.
So coming with a very special material for the driver, which is beryllium, very hard and very
beryllium
light.
driver. Yeah, okay.
Very hard and very tight.
Yeah.
Very hard and very light.
Yeah.
That's why quick move and then stop very quickly, so that we can create very precise and natural sound.
Okay.
Can be done for it. All right.
Okay.
And this is something like very unique stuff. This is kind of a very unique collaboration with the Japanese very famous anime industry.
Yeah.
Then very famous program, which is Evangelion. It's a several then character inside of the story, so that we have the several color then as a theme of the essay, the character.
Okay.
But this is also available in Europe as well. Then by the way, among these colors, this white and the blue is the new product actually, which is available starting from I guess August already. Yes. The price is around 200 euro. This is the kind of our the total picture.
Yeah.
This time.
In a wonderful room.
Yeah.
And very nice products. And I say many thanks for your journey through your products. And I say bye.
Thank you very much for coming.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
Yes, enjoy.